Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you the basic concepts of SQL Server, in which we will learn how to create a database, how to create a table. So let us start. So first of all, we will write the command create database and the name of the database. For example, my database name I want to set is organization. Then I will select this command and I will execute this command. Execute means I will run this command. So when it will be executed, it will give us a message command completed successfully. That means our database is created. We have some default database in the database, like for example this master. As you can see on the top left, it is displaying here. So we need to change this database, as we cannot use the default database because it changes the configuration settings and it will not allow to execute some of the commands. So next step is to use this database. So I will use this database until and unless I will use this command, I will not be able to run the database. So next step is to use this database, use organization. So my database name changes here. As you can see, organization is set up in the drop down box. Now next step is to create table in the database. So now I will create a table name, give a table name employee. For example, employee info, I want to give the name of the table. Then it has some attributes, like for example EID, int, data type. Int, you know that it is for integers, storing in integer numbers. Then name of the employee, then it will store varchar as the data type. Give it the maximum size 100. We can also give the char data type as well, but suppose if I'm giving it a size 100 but character data type will occupy all the 100 bytes in memory. So we use varchar. If our name length is short, then it will occupy only those spaces in memory. Next, I want to set phone number of the employee and it will have big int data type. If we want to set large numbers, then we will give it a data type big int. Now next step is to select this command and execute this command. So as you can see, it is giving me an error here. Column, parameter or variable cannot find data type varchar. So what I have done a spelling mistake here for varchar. So I need to correct it and execute it. Command completed successfully. That means my table is created. Now next step is to select the attributes of the table. So I will write select star from table. Star means it will select all the attributes that we have created, like for example EID, name, phone number and so on. So select star from table. Table name is employee info. So again it will give me error because I have done typo error. Select star from employee info. As you can see, my table is created with 3 attributes: EID, name and phone number. So these are the basic steps that we will do one by one when we are creating a table. Now let us suppose I want to select some particular attributes from the table. Then I will use EID, name. I just only want to view the data, EID and name of the employee. So I will just select from here the name of the table and execute the command. As you can see, now I can view the attributes EID and name of the employee. So these are the basic steps to create a table, create a database and select the data from the table. So create is your DDL command. DDL means till now we are defining the structure of the table. We are not entering data into the table. So for your revision, I am again explaining what we have done. I am putting comments here. It has comments means it has no effect on the code. So this command will create database, and this command is to make the change in the new database for using database currently. Execute it, and next step is to create the table. It will create the table in the database, and next step is to view information from the table, or you can say retrieve information from the table. So if I want to view the data, and this is for particular attributes. So these are the basics that we have covered in first video. In next video we will learn how to add column and how to delete column into this table.